Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Whetstone guide is probably one of the most essential tools for any chef or home cook looking to maintain razor-sharp edges on their knives, ensuring precision and safety with every slice, chop, and dice, transforming your culinary experience from frustratingly dull to effortlessly efficient. Number 5. Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening System. Not all sharpening stones are created equal. We source only premium quality materials for our whetstones, offering superior cutting performance thanks to our proprietary aluminum oxide composition. This kit includes a double-sided, number 1000-6000, whetstone, a bamboo base, an angle guide, and instructions. You'll also receive a detailed ebook with tips for all skill levels. Safety is paramount. Our whetstone is secured within a non-slip bamboo base, ensuring it stays in place while you work. The angle guide helps you maintain the correct angle for safe and consistent sharpening. This water stone kit is incredibly user-friendly and easy to assemble. It uses water for sharpening, eliminating the need for expensive oils and messy cleanup. It's easily cleaned with water. This durable and long-lasting sharpener can handle virtually any blade, from kitchen knives to scissors and chisels. It's the perfect tool for home or professional use, or as a thoughtful gift. What we like. This sharpening system offers a premium quality whetstone with both 1000 and 6000 grit sides. It includes a bamboo base, angle guide, and detailed instructions, making it incredibly user-friendly for beginners. If you're new to knife sharpening and want a comprehensive kit that ensures safety and ease of use, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great tool for sharpening knives. It is easy to use and holds the knife at the correct angle for sharpening. The guide is well made and durable. It is made of high-quality materials and should last for many years. I have used this guide to sharpen all of my knives and they are all razor sharp. I would highly recommend this product to anyone who wants to keep their knives sharp. Number 4. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener. Introducing the Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener, the ultimate solution for all your sharpening needs. It's designed to bring your blades back to life with unparalleled precision. It comes with 7 different abrasive grits, including diamond, ceramic, and a leather strop. This allows you to customize the sharpening process to perfectly suit your knives and tools. You can easily adjust the sharpening angle anywhere from 15 to 30 degrees. Whether you need to reprofile a blade or achieve a mirror polish, it offers complete customization for any edge. Switching between grits is incredibly fast and simple. You can seamlessly change sharpening stones or rods without interrupting your workflow, making the sharpening process efficient. This sharpener is meticulously designed, engineered, and calibrated in our Oregon facility. We ensure the highest quality and stand behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. What we like. This sharpener stands out with its highly adjustable angle settings, allowing for precise control from 15 to 30 degrees. It comes with 7 different abrasive grits, including diamond, ceramic, and a leather strop, catering to a wide range of sharpening needs, even for serrated knives. If you demand versatility and the ability to fine-tune your sharpening angle for various blades, this is the tool for you. What people say. It's compact so it stores easy, quick to set up, and has smooth operation. Man, it's so easy to use, you can set your angle so easy and just get to work. The Work Sharp Precision Adjust is indeed very easy to use. The knife holder has some flexibility to it, but to use this sharpener correctly, you do not apply pressure to the stone on the blade. Let the stone do the work. You just move it back and forth. The flex therefore becomes negligible. Number 3. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit. Achieve razor-sharp edges with unparalleled ease and control. This tool is designed to make manual sharpening faster and more precise than ever before. Easily adjust the sharpening angle from 15 to 30 degrees in 1-degree increments. This allows you to reprofile any blade or create a perfectly polished edge, even on serrated knives. Quickly switch between coarse and fine diamond, and fine ceramic stones. Customize your sharpening experience to achieve the perfect edge for any tool. The included V-block clamp securely holds your knife in place. This ensures consistent and safe sharpening every time you use it. Meticulously designed and quality checked in our Oregon facility. We stand behind the quality and performance of our products. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive 3-year warranty. We are committed to providing you with reliable sharpening solutions. What we like. This kit focuses on precision with its angle-guided system and a 3-sided abrasive jig for faster, more accurate sharpening. The tri-abrasive rod allows quick changes between grits, and the V-block clamp ensures the knife is held securely. If you're looking for a sharpener that offers excellent control and ease of use for both pocket and kitchen knives, this is a great option. What people say. The guide is very easy to use and holds the angle perfectly. It fits multiple knife sizes and is made of durable material. The guide helps maintain a consistent sharpening angle, which is crucial for blade sharpness. Number 2. Angerstone Premium Knife Sharpening Stone. Introducing the Angerstone Premium Knife Sharpening Stone, designed to bring your blades back to life. Experience superior sharpness with its dual grit system. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a double-sided whetstone, non-slip bases, an angle guide, and a flattening stone for perfect results every time. From kitchen knives and pocket knives to garden tools and axes, it sharpens almost any blade. Achieve precision with ease, excluding only serrated and ceramic knives. Our design ensures safety with a secure non-slip base and an angle guide. Maintain the correct angle and consistent pressure for a safe and effective sharpening experience. Simply soak it for a few minutes, and it's ready to go, no oil needed. Cleaning up is just as simple, making sharpening a breeze. Each stone is rigorously tested for quality and durability. It's the perfect, practical gift for anyone who appreciates a sharp edge, from home cooks to professionals. What we like. This whetstone offers a 1000-6000 grit combination for superior sharpening and includes a flattening stone to maintain the whetstone surface. It comes with a silicone and bamboo base for stability, plus an angle guide. If you need a versatile sharpener that can handle almost any blade type except serrated ones and want to ensure your stone stays in top condition, this is a solid choice. What people say. The stone is of good quality and seems durable. It has a little clip that goes on your knife to help you get and maintain the correct angle, and the holder has a strong grip. Great quality stone for knife sharpening. The wood holder works well with a grippy bottom pad to keep it in place. It also comes with a blade angle guide. Number 1. Sharp Pebble Whetstone Knife Sharpening System. Introducing the complete knife sharpening system designed for beginners. Achieve razor-sharp edges with ease, thanks to its intuitive design. Say goodbye to guesswork. Built-in angle guides ensure a consistent sharpening angle, protecting your valuable knives from uneven edges. Our system features a non-slip base for stability and uses water only, making sharpening safer and cleaner than traditional methods. The dual grit stones quickly sharpen dull blades and refine them to a professional, razor-sharp finish in just minutes. Built to last, this system provides consistent performance over time, protecting your knives and saving you money in the long run. It's designed to sharpen both German and Japanese-style knives, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. What we like. This system is specifically designed for beginners, featuring built-in angle guides that eliminate guesswork and ensure consistent sharpening angles. Its dense, uniform abrasives provide safer sharpening, and the non-slip base ensures stability. If you're a beginner who wants to achieve razor-sharp results without the risk of damaging your knives, this user-friendly system is ideal. What people say. The Sharp Pebble Sharpening Stone works exactly as described. Easy to use, well made, and it sharpened my knives quickly with great results. The stone feels solid, holds water well, and provides a smooth, consistent sharpening surface. The way this product and its guides are designed, it's perfect for learning to sharpen. It really helps, if you take your time on each stroke, to get it just right every time, in both directions. That minimizes your wrong strokes, so every stroke you ever do is a good one, helping train your muscle memory faster without wasting time. The product arrived, and I watched the videos on how to use it. Angles are essential, so I soaked the stone and, using the angle guide, sharpened my favorite knife, the chef's knife. Admittedly, it took some getting used to, but slowly, I got the hang of it and sharpened my first knife. I did the paper test, and wow, it worked. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.